The North Carolina last will. What is a last will and testament? A last will is a set of public instructions about where your assets go after you pass away. A person who creates a will is called a testator. A person receiving under the will is called a beneficiary. And the one who administers the estate of a deceased person is called an executor. Why create a last will? This document allows you to make sure that your money and other assets are distributed the way you want. It also allows you to make specific distributions. For example, you can indicate exact shares for your every beneficiary, or even disinherit someone completely. What are the requirements for a will? To be valid in the state of North Carolina, a will, number 1, should be created by a person with the required testamentary capacity. This means that the testator should be at least 18 years old and of sound mind. Requirement number 2, it should be in writing. Also, the state of North Carolina allows holographic wills, handwritten wills signed by the testator without witnessing and notarizing, and oral wills under certain circumstances. Number 3, it should be signed by the testator in the presence of at least 2 witnesses. The witnesses should be disinterested and credible, over 18 years old, and must also sign the will themselves. Requirement number 4, it doesn't have to be notarized, but you can make your will self-proving by attaching a self-proving affidavit to it, and that requires notarization. Can a will be revoked? A will can be partly or entirely revoked in 3 cases. By a subsequent will, your new will revokes the previous one. By destroying the will, for example by tearing it or burning it. And by operation of law. A divorce will revoke every provision regarding the former spouse, unless the will provides otherwise. How do you create a will? A will can be written in 3 ways. By yourself, by handwriting or using a fillable template, with the help of a lawyer or a law firm, which can be quite expensive, or through our step-by-step document builder that will allow you to create a highly customized last will.